Built-in brush. With the brush, very easy and accurate to apply, spread evenly on nails. Especially suitable for repairing broken nails. Super strong adhesive. Tiphulan press-on nail glue is fast-drying, quick bonding, adhesive perfect, long-lasting for 14 to 30 days. You can take cooking and cleaning with them, no worry about popping off. 4 big bottles, value your money. Upgraded with size 15 ml, 0.51 ounces. 1 bottle of our glue can be used for 100 to 120 nail tips, so 4 bottles can be used for 400 to 480 nail tips, equal to 40 to 48 times manicure for 2 hands, and can be used for 3 to 4 years normally. Healthy ingredients. With MSDS and SGS certificated, Tiphulan false nail glue is made with ethyl cyanoacrylate, no harm to natural nails, giving you a comfortable nails doing experience. Widely used. Tiphulan nail glue perfect for false nails, small nail art decoration such as rhinestone, beads, gemstone, nail salon and home use. Compatible with all kinds of nail tips. Top reviews from the United States. Never gonna use another glue. When COVID hit I thought, no way am I going to do press on nails, this glue changed my mind. I'm 73 and my fingers don't dance like they used to. This glue makes me want to rock and roll again.